Generation Congregation is about telling the young people that it's cool to be Christian.
GenCon is really for the youth.
Pinaka-natutunan ko sa GenCon is yung maging astig at maging proud na Kristiyano ka.
It's not your ordinary church service.
Unique.
Stig, maraming tropa.
Sa GenCon, maaari na makilala ng Panginoon sa ibang kaparaanan.
Pogi pa kaming lahat.
Siya lang ina-attendan ko na church na ganong klase yung worship. Hardcore.
It's where youths can be free to express themselves.
You can meet radical people here.
Na-express ko yung sarili ko.
Hindi boring. Habang nagpe-praise ka, habang kumakanta ka, na-express mo yung sarili mo.
Siyempre rito, music pa lang. Rock na, pwede tayong tumalon para sa Panginoon.
It's a generation of uncompromising faith.
Walang kwenta ang buhay pag wala sigad sa puso ko eh.
Dito ko naramdaman yung freedom, being with Christ.
Natutunan ko rin yung pagiging friendly.
Pwede kang maging astig sa Panginoon kahit hindi ka gumagawa ng kalokohan.
Natutunan ko kung paano mabuhay sa mundo. Kung paano ko dapat ibuhos yung oras ko. At sila ibuhos ko sa Panginoon.
To raise up a new breed of believers to be the present and future of the church, challenging them to worship God and live their Christian faith as a lifestyle. Our vision is to see a growing multitude of passionate young people gathering to worship the Lord in spirit and in truth. Hardcore.
A generation that's gonna rock the world for Christ.
GenCon, astig, maraming hardcore worshipers. Talagang on fire kay God.
Mas masaya sa kay Lord kaysa sa iba.
Tama.
Tama yan.
Lalo sasayo pa.
Pangkabataan talaga siya. Yung lalo na pagdating sa spiritual life mo.
Kaya sa pumunta ka pa sa ibang lugar, di ba? Mas maganda na yung kasama mo yung kapakabataan mo.
Natutunan kong mahalin yung tropa ko. Lahat. Nagbago yung buhay ko. Naging kayo pakinabang. Stay kay God.
Yeah, Generation Congregation, it's really for you, and you could have a lot of fun. That's why I have a lot of fun in it. It's where we teach kids that being hardcore in the faith is what it's all about, keeping it real, living Christ as a lifestyle. This is where we teach that the real fun is being serious with God. Just tell this world that Jesus rocks, you know.
GenCon, astig.
Siyempre! Cool!
Keep the fire burning, tol. Huwag kang bibitaw.
Hardcore! GenCon, astig!
Generation Congregation, the home of hardcore worshipers.